Hey Write gang, Rufus here. I've made a short film this week using mostly photos. Welcome to Shot on My Phone. Enjoy.
Stir fry cabbage, mushroom, courgette, onion, tomato, prawn, char, boil noodles, oil, stir, vegetables mix, prawn, stir, sauce, stir fry, eat, stir fry.
Hey, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. If you've made your own Shot on My Phone video, leave a link in the comments below and also give us any other ideas that we could shoot in the future.
Eat, stir fry.